Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If your Android apps are refusing to open your camera, showing a black screen, or throwing a permission denied error, it means the operating system is actively blocking hardware access for your privacy. I will show you exactly how to unblock your camera and fix these permission errors right now. Let's get started. First, the specific application you are trying to use needs explicit permission to access your phone's camera hardware. Open your phone's main Settings app and scroll down to the Apps or App Management section. Find and tap on the exact application that is giving you trouble, like Instagram or Snapchat. Tap on the Permissions menu and select Camera from the list. Change the setting from Denied to Allow only while using the app. This is the most secure option because it prevents the application from secretly recording you in the background while still fixing your immediate problem. Next, modern Android versions feature a global privacy kill switch that can completely override all individual app permissions. Swipe down twice from the very top of your screen to fully open your quick settings panel. Look for a tile named Camera Access and make sure it is highlighted and turned on. If you do not see it there, open your Settings app, scroll down to the Security and Privacy or Privacy menu, and find the Camera Access toggle switch. If this master switch is turned off, every single app on your phone will be blocked from using the lens, even if you explicitly granted them permission in the previous step. Finally, if the app still says permission is denied even though the settings are correct, a temporary cache glitch is likely confusing the software. Go back to your Settings app, tap on Apps, and select your problematic application again. Tap on the Force Stop button to completely halt its background processes. Then tap on Storage and Cache and tap Clear Cache. Open the application and try using the camera one more time. The system should now correctly recognize your updated privacy settings and instantly load your camera feed. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.